Hi, it's Sonia speaking, and our team is happy to announce the release of our Webcam Effects Chrome extension. And I'd like to tell you about the most substantial changes. Let's start with the most crucial part. All of our features are now free. The only exception that requires the paid version is the removal of Webcam Effects watermark. We hope that this change will allow our users that have already been registered for a while and their free trial is already expired to try our new features and enjoy them. Also, our new feature that you might have missed is the recording. We have the video about recording on our channel. The next part concerns reordering our feature list. According to our usage statistics, we now moved all of the most popular features to the top, so they are easy to navigate and use. Another piece of good news is that with this update, we've introduced a new feature, Custom Watermark. Now you can easily create branded communications for your video conferences or pre-recorded videos. Now every record or conference can serve as a way to promote your personal or company brand. Let's explore how the feature works. You need to upload your image in PNG or SVG format. For Full HD cameras, it is advised to use 500 to 200 pixels size in order to avoid upscaling. It is also advisable to use alpha channel for transparency, so your watermark will fit in with typical video backgrounds. You can adjust the logo's position and size as you wish. And there is more. With our promotional affiliate program, you can earn yourself 7 days of free usage. Just invite your friends, share the link with them, and every time your friend joins our extension, you will get your 7 days. Here are simple steps to follow. Share the link, send it to your friend, and once your friend registers and logs into our extension, you will get your 7 free days. You can invite as many friends as you want. The days will accumulate. That's it. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it helpful.